The app that I will be reviewing today is Epocrates. It's an app that has been very helpful in my career as an optometrist. I use it often to reference dosing for medications, to check the side effects of medications, as well as to make sure there are no drug interactions when I'm prescribing patients medications. So when you open the app, this is what it looks like until it loads, and then this is your home screen. Sometimes you'll have a little ad pop up. If I scroll down through this, then you'll be able to see the top news that has come out in the medical field. At the bottom, when you click browse, this menu comes up, and for example, I clicked on drugs. All these different categories of drugs came up, and I clicked the allergy and cold ENT ones. I clicked the combo analgesic and antihistamines. I scrolled down to Tylenol PM, and then I went ahead and I clicked the adverse reactions. Here is a list of the main and most severe reactions, which is very helpful when you're prescribing medications for patients. The next thing that I clicked was the pharmacology. When our students are studying pharmacology, this is a great resource for them. The drug interactions, when a patient is on several medications and you want to make sure you're not giving them anything that's going to interact with one of their current medications, as well as dosing. This is the part that I use the most. Sometimes we forget how to dose for certain patients and the renal and hepatic considerations. I often use the ophthalmic drugs tab as well. Here you see me pulling up the antibacterials. The most commonly used antibacterial would be moxifloxacin. I often use this for the dosing, which is 0.5%, 1 drop in the affected eye 3 times a day for 7 days. Here we are back at the browsing menu, and the other feature I wanted to talk about is the dosing calculators. This is very useful for pediatric patients. They also have several other calculators, including thyroid medication dosing conversions, which will be very helpful for PCPs or endocrinologists. As we toggle back to the browse menu, you will see things like ICD-10, which unfortunately you have to pay for. This allows you to look up ICD-10 codes. You also have some formularies saved here. Something else that I found pretty helpful is the pill ID. You can write in the codes, the shape, the color, and it'll tell you which pill. Here are my notifications of all the up-and-coming news, FDA approvals, etc. And there's also a CME tab. Unfortunately, in optometry in Florida, we cannot do recorded virtual CME, but this is a great option for those who can. I hope this video provided a comprehensive overview of the app and that we can make ourselves a little bit more familiar with it and all the features that we have not tapped into yet. Thanks so much for watching my video.